How to fix Yakuza Kiwami 3 and Dark Ties crashing on Steam. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. And in the launch options, you want to add -dx11 like this. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this process is done, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU updates installed. For that, you can use NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU or NVIDIA graphics card. You can also use AMD software if you're running AMD to download and install the latest available driver updates. And the next step is to make sure that you have the latest redistributables installed. So search for Redist and click on the first link. Now scroll down to the second table and download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables. And that will ask you to restart your computer once you finish the installation. Now, after you restart your computer, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.